I have started sharing the screen. Now, I hope you see this website on Razorpay called Fix My Itch. Okay, Fix My Itch. Now, what is this Fix My Itch? So, in India, they have found out that what are those problems for which investors want to invest, not your money, somebody's money. So they want to invest, and they want to know what are the problems which India is facing. Okay. Before I start, I hope on the chat, can you confirm you see my screen? Can you see my screen so that I can go by explaining the problem? And yes, yes, good, good. It's then no problem. So let us. So this is called Fix My Itch. So anybody who can fix a problem, they are getting funding from different startups, I mean, different investors. And Razorpay itself has something called as Razorpay Rise. They will also help. Now, what are these problems? In this, top 10 problems are what? This, let us see. Top 10 problems. Anxiety. Why can't anxious people find trustworthy non-prescription sleep solution easily? See, there are some sleep solutions. Formal education. Why distinguishing sprains from fractures impossible without costly hospital visits? Not hardware, because mostly the audience is doctors and healthcare professionals. Let us stick to health. Why do teachers lack real-time mental health support at work? Aging parents. So many are there, but still we directly jump to the specialization. See, many are there in this. What we want, you obviously we are looking for healthcare. See, these are all the problems for which everyone is ready to pay. I mean, the investors. Why do branded drugs dopamine prescription despite equivalent cheaper generic alternatives? Why do hospital hide procedure pricing from patients? So basically, these are all problems. Now, how you are going to solve it is the main thing. Okay. Now, something which Razorpay has identified. But internationally, what are they looking for? Internationally, this is Y Combinator. Y Combinator is somebody, if you just give just your video of 160 minutes, 60 seconds of video on how you are going to problem, they'll fund you 500,000, almost 5 crores, and they'll take you to US. Simple. It's not nothing magic. Okay. Just you need a small working prototype or website and a video. And how do you understand the market? What are you? That's it. Doctors and healthcare professionals, you just need to say, I'm a healthcare professional. That's it. That's the first criteria. Second, you need to show a website or an app or a product. And how and you should know, explain about the market. That's it. Example, this is called IC requests. It requests every year for startups to build something or from a specific area, and it will fund. See, for pesticides, AI for pesticides. But this is a, because most of you are doctors and healthcare professionals, this is AI personalized medicine. So somebody who can build this, these people are not fully functional software and end-to-end services, but at least a prototype or an MVP, which we are going to show how to do it. Okay, this is a master class of 2 hours where I'm going to show hands-on everything. Okay, some people are just participating for today's session. Okay, they didn't register for the entire program. Medical AI innovator program, they didn't enroll for the entire program. Only today's master class they have registered, so they will go watching. They are going to create a medical coding software, AI powered medical coding software. Basically, it will replace all the medical coders, and only few medical reviewers are coding reviewers are enough. So basically, this will also make money. Okay, so here you can see somebody is explaining about AI for medicine also, what they are looking for. Okay, now we can do this all, but let us do the one which we discussed, the medical coding thing. Okay, and before that, you see, this is a news. I hope everyone has seen. This is a tech guy, tech personality, who created vaccine for his own dog. Dog was almost dying for some kind of a cancer, and he has decided to find a solution. So he used ChatGPT to understand how to develop a vaccine. Then he used Google AI tools, okay, and AlphaFold, and then contacted the near, got the ethical approval. Obviously, it is his own dog. It's not a clinical trial, right? It's a preclinical. Basically, it's on animals, and they just need his consent, and nearest one laboratory helped them, and the vaccine worked on the dog. Obviously, it improved the condition, which means a IT guy can do these things. A healthcare professional should solve bigger problems, and we feel doctors and healthcare professionals are the ideal people, unless you don't feel it. But we feel it. That's the reason we have bought we got this program for you. And how important it is, let us explore right away. I hope you have opened this. I just gave you to create an account on this because I am going to show how to build on this basically. That's the reason I want you to create an account, nothing more than that. And why did we give the R link, Nerd Nation? Because we are official partners for this top company also. And please, everyone, create an account. It hardly takes one or half a minute. And I'm quite sure what I'm going to show you here will be extraordinary. It will literally tell you where to, how to proceed, and how to. I mean, this is the best time. This is the best time because many are not willing, many want really a comfortable life. They don't want to risk anything, but have time, any problem solving knowledge. I think it's easy time for defeating anyone in the competition. Not many are really uh, comfortable with by taking doing any innovative thing right now. I'll just use some other account so that it's easy. Just a second. Just I'm stopping the screen share because I need to enter these things, right? I can't show you password and everything. So just a second. Almost done. I am creating a new account so that you also create a new account. You should also know how does it work. That's the reason. Okay. I'm sharing the screen now. I don't want to show from an account which has been totally loaded with money and everything. Nothing more than that. Now, you see, I have created account. You got 10 free credits for your first prompt. Basically, I got 10 free credits. Now, I wish to build something called medical coding. You know, medical coding is a profession, a discharge letter or something relevant, discharge letters from US. You have to code them with different codes like ICD, International Classification of Diseases. So medical coding, basically a medical coding. So what did I do to make it more easy? I just wanted, what is the best way? I want a discharge letter uploaded to a creating. I'm creating a web app website where somebody can upload the discharge letter and it will add all the ICD codes and gives out our final summary or final document to download. But this is a 10 credits only. Okay, let us see. I wrote in detail a script. Basically, what is you? I'm saying you are an expert medical coding assistant and a world's best AI. Create landing page about AI medical coding assistant and have an option to upload the discharge summary, Word or PDF. Read discharge summary, recreate it, professional code discharge. Basically, I do everything what rules to follow in basic English. Okay, I didn't ask it to do any big stuff. Okay, and let us see how does it work. And what is this? It is asking me basically what do you want to attach any document and which model you want to use. But here we should never use these things. Use only Claude 4.5 Sonnet. For all students or anybody who is newly using it, use only Claude 4.5. Okay. And let us see. Let us see what does it do. Now it has started working. Remember, to make it easy, I have done all the backend settings have already been done. Okay. See, I would use Gemini. I'm just saying it is asking me. Asking me a few questions. Do you want a best design or basic with basic credits? Let us not do basic. Simple. I want only simple design for now because we have only 10 credits. So let us not waste the money. So we started with 10 free credits and see it is slowly burning 9.8 credits. Let us see by the end of it, see 9.59 credits. So if we can do this within the free credits, then wonderful. Every one of you can build something within those 10 free credits. If needed, you will spend a little 100 or 200 rupees extra. If required, not it's not mandatory. Let us see how well it will do. I'm doing everything in front of you. There is no magic. But remember one thing: whatever the backend settings are there, that is a little lengthy thing to show. But whatever I am showing, you can easily replicate on your free account. Okay, don't need to worry about backend settings and everything. Now this is the preview. Why preview? Whatever it's building, you can easily see the preview here itself. So let us just switch on the preview so that we know what is happening. Just 1 to 2 minutes, that's it. But remember, what is it doing? It's basically doing everything. It will choose a design by itself. Yes, later on, we can do much more better stuff. But for now, I'm just showing you this so that you should know the capabilities of it, so that if you are from gynecology, you should find a solution, which is like example, let's assume somebody is, what are the factors for miscarriage, or what are the factors for sexual problems, what can be avoided, what can be solved with lifestyle changes. You should find out, all is running in your head, all the problem solutions. Now you convert into a solution. You understand? Yeah. And as this is doing work, I'll show you one simple $1 billion one company startup. What was this $1 billion one company startup? Somebody told that it is easy to build a $1 billion company. And to make it reality, somebody was actually making profits, obviously. It's called Medvi. It's a US-based telehealth startup. How much did it make? $400 million in first year. He doesn't have a team. He is the only employee. He is the only CEO. And what is he doing? He has all the AI agents and the website, everything is automated. So $400 million. You understand? And what is weight loss drug? And you are healthcare professionals sitting at, in your place, thinking about career. Some people are thinking about career. Somebody are bored with practice. Somebody feel they need some other side hustle. So you understand, it's already started. They are calling it $1 billion companies are going to come more. So this is not the time you hire 400 employees, 300 employees, 200. That's the reason many people are getting fired. Okay, many people are getting fired right now. Why? They understood now we don't require more employees. In pharma, healthcare, everywhere, right now the best thing is to get into this problem solving before BTech or IT professionals think of solving it like that fellow who developed vaccine, right? So they will use, right now many AI companies are already utilizing doctors for tagging all the images and everything. Most of the doctors can get into that it's like easy peasy for them. But most of them don't know how to do it. So our training would help everyone to, mostly healthcare professionals, to get into this, so that IT professionals won't try to solve the healthcare problems, because they don't know the real problems in gynecology, oncology, drug discovery, pharmacology. They really don't know what it is. But when you will learn, you can find solutions. Now you create this medical coding kind of a software and you can sell this to a medical coding companies, smaller companies. What they will do, obviously they'll buy it and fire 10 or 15, 20 or 100 employees. Like recently I came to know one of my friends company itself, they have fired many. See, it's saying testing. I would want to stop. I would want to stop testing. Why? When you are a new person, don't go for manual testing. Basically, you test it whether it's working or not. Okay? Don't do test. I just wrote and I'm going to submit. I am saying I will do testing. I am making spelling mistakes also. I will still go ahead and send it. It's already done. That's the reason loading the preview. Okay. Let it load the design. it has already done some designing part of it. Now it is going to show in the preview part. The major thing here is a prompt. That's the reason they call it prompt engineering. Basically, you write it in plain English, but so that AI doesn't have all AI models which are specifically designed for the task. I mean, they are available, and you have to do some research on which is best. Me, yeah. It's almost done. We have to see how many credits are burned till now. Because it's a free account, we need to be careful that we have to build something within the free credits only. I'm showing you that only. When you feel it is passionate and you want to develop more, then you start spending. Not when you are just learning. Learning, use free credits. You will get free credits just using that link which I just shared it with you. Because we are official partners with Emergent. Still loading the preview because it's done all the coding, designing, everything for us. So give it a say 4.71 credits. That's it left. So we have one more chance to edit. That's it, and it will stop. You understand? We can't waste the credits. Out of 10, 6.1 credits are gone already. So no need to do any risk. I am going to close few windows so that it reduces stress on the system. Okay. I'm going to close the prompt. Not required now. We have already used the prompt. See, it has given me summary that it has done so and so thing. Would you like to add a billing calculator? It is asking. Health records. Do you want me to integrate health records, filters? It is asking me. But for now, no. For now, I don't want to do all this stuff. See, it has a basic thing. Let us test it. Okay. Let us test it. Let us not just. We have only 4 credits left. 4 point something. So we can't do any risky stuff right now. I just. I have one discharge letter. We'll see. First, I uploaded the discharge letter. Let us see how it works. See, it come a discharge letter. Completely with ICD codes. You see, it is coded. International Classification of Diseases, different CPT codes, everything done. Total ICD 10 codes identified 10. Total CPT codes identified 6. You understand? This is the easiest job to automate. That's the reason out of 100 jobs, they'll keep the seniors and fire 98 of everyone. Now, we just created a AI software which can do this. Now, this is not some dummy software. We can I can share it with you. If you have a discharge letter, you can test it. If you don't have, then I can't do anything. See, I'm sharing. If you have a dummy discharge letter online, if you find it, you can test it. See how much time we started at 8:05. It is 8:44, not even 1 hour. Now the situation is so bad. That's the reason every job is under risk right now. Okay, so this is the basic software. This is the discharge letter. The same thing. We just already did it. We have already did it. So in this way, now previously what used to happen, the training was given on these medical coding dictionaries. Everyone used to do manually. Now what happens? It is done by AI, and once it is done, it has also. Let us see whether it did a PDF good or not. Yeah, basic stuff. Okay, it has. If you remove the icon, download PDF, everything is ready. Laboratory findings, image findings, discharge diagnosis, discharge medications. If I found a discharge letter, a sample mock discharge letter online, I used it. Okay. Now these are icons are there. Download PDF, right? We can remove that. Okay. I will just say. I'm going to just say here. Already credits are gone. Only 4 credits are there. We can't do testing. Okay. On the downloaded report, the download button and other buttons are visible. Please remove them. See, I asked it in simple English. Now, if you make it a full-fledged software now, like what? An admin panel for company owners or managers, and for users, like basically senior employees, and hospitals which are sending these from abroad. So straightforward, they land up, and the AI will analyze and immediately create an email or send these back to the providers in US. Fixed. Let us see whether it's fixed or not. Okay. I'm going to just refresh this. So anybody tells you medical coding jobs are there and everything is there, so you are just wasting money and going for an internship and coming back. And I just showed you this specific profession because everything is being affected by AI right now. Okay. So what we wish to do is, don't be frightened that AI is going to consume your job. Instead, learn. You don't need to learn programming. Okay, don't worry about programming and stuff. You just need to learn what we are going to teach. Okay, you don't need any of this this stuff. So they have removed the buttons. Now there is no buttons right now. Yeah, on the top and bottom we have to check. And just that's the reason I'm scrolling now. So there is no button here also. There is no button on the top also. Yeah, good. So we can correct it. Now the format should be exactly the same. We can try. We can make it more beautiful, colorful templates, colorful formats. You understand? Yeah. Let us see how many credits we have still. we have just 1.65 credit. Okay. So whatever we do, we are going to lose all the credits. So what we will do is AI medical coding app. Rename the web app to AI med code. Let us see. So within free credits, we have built a AI medical coding assistant. Okay. Now I am not going to tell you on what models to use, how better to use, how to create a genomic, use different models to understand genetic mutations, personalized medicine. All this stuff will come in the larger course. For the master class, we can't teach you all those. It will take a hell lot of time. So see, I just asked it to create, convert it into AI Medcode. It has changed the website name to AI Medcode. And let us see how many credits do we have. Okay, it is only 1.13. So what I'll do is now add some important information and create a simple landing page around what you have created. I am quite sure this is out of budget from these 10 credits, but still I am going to push a little. Doctors, this 8 Sundays training will be, if you are in OBGYN, if you are in cardiology, oncology, radiology, doesn't matter. After 6 Sundays, 7th Sunday, we have to concentrate on your own specialties. Everyone will bring their own problems from each specialty. If you are from pharmacology or pharmaceutics or cardiology, oncology, no problem. Then after 6 Sundays, obviously you will understand, okay, this is the problem we will have to solve. Now, remember, those only we will concentrate on those problems which can get you name, fame, and money, so that all the graduates can directly apply for these kind of a Y Combinator or a top investors directly using the MVPs. So this training is much more, this is not there in India. This is the first time we are doing it. Mostly the trainings are for IT professionals. Nobody concentrates on doctors and nurses or any healthcare professional. Basically, they want to replace you with what is the Optimus surgical robots. They want to replace you all people with something. But see, I told you, our credits are over. Then please excuse me. Forget about what is ever happening. If credits are gone, because we are just pushing. If it, oh, come on. 0.05. Ah, got it. See, perfectly, we are almost there. I asked it to create a landing page. Wonderful. So I am going to share this with you. How much time did it take? Now, if somebody tells you clinical science programming job won't go, medical coding job won't go, this job won't go, that job won't go, that's all drama. It's already gone. That's the reason no jobs are there. Please, if you check, I have shared the official page right now, which the app which we just created with free credits. No money was used. You only saw me. I created a new account and did it. A beautiful landing page. How everything works. Get started. Now, what do we need? Just add a login, sign in, sign out page, and that's it. Admin and other stuff, and go and sell it to the medical coding small companies. They'll happily buy it and fire their employees. This is what is happening right now. So I hope you enjoyed the session. I would want to go with Q&A